Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore one of the most exciting topics for aspiring entrepreneurs: how to start a business with little money. Many people believe starting a business requires huge investments, but the truth is, with the right approach and creativity, you can build something valuable even on a small budget. In this video, I'll share practical strategies that anyone can follow to get started. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Number 5. Start small. Starting a business with little money means focusing on simplicity and practicality. You don't need a big office, a huge staff, or expensive equipment in the beginning. The idea is to begin with the minimum resources necessary to launch your product or service. For example, if you want to sell handmade crafts, you don't need a store right away. An online platform or local marketplace is enough to get started. By keeping your operations small, you reduce unnecessary expenses and risks. Starting small also allows you to learn more about your customers, understand their needs, and improve your offerings gradually. Many successful companies began from garages, living rooms, or small setups before they became large. The key is consistency and patience, not trying to appear big too soon. This step is also important for testing whether your business idea works in the real market. Instead of investing large amounts and failing, you can try on a smaller scale and make adjustments. By starting small, you save money, avoid stress, and give yourself room to grow naturally. Over time, this careful approach can build a solid foundation for a successful business. Number 4. Use free tools. When funds are limited, the best strategy is to make full use of free tools and resources available online. Today, there are countless apps and platforms designed to help businesses grow without requiring large investments. For example, you can create social media pages on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to promote your products or services at no cost. Free website builders like WordPress or Wix also allow you to build an online presence with little or no money. Similarly, project management apps such as Trello or Asana can help organize your tasks, while Canva is perfect for creating professional designs without hiring expensive graphic designers. By learning how to use these tools effectively, you can manage marketing, communication, and daily operations without paying for costly alternatives. Using free resources also makes your business flexible, since you can experiment and adjust strategies without worrying about financial loss. Many entrepreneurs today grow their businesses entirely online using free tools before moving on to paid versions as profits increase. The ability to save money while still maintaining quality work is a powerful advantage. If you maximize free options, your business can thrive without requiring big startup capital. Number 3. Offer services. One of the smartest ways to start a business with little money is by offering services instead of products. Services generally require skills, knowledge, or time rather than large amounts of capital. For example, freelancing in writing, graphic design, web development, tutoring, or digital marketing doesn't require much investment beyond a computer and an internet connection. Unlike physical products, services don't need inventory, manufacturing, or storage space, which significantly lowers your costs. Another benefit of offering services is flexibility. You can start alone and expand later when you have more clients or income. Many entrepreneurs first build a reputation by providing services, and then use that experience to launch larger businesses. Services also allow you to test your business model quickly. You can adjust your pricing, improve your delivery, and find better clients without spending on materials. In addition, providing services can generate income faster compared to selling products. Since clients often pay immediately for completed work, this creates a steady cash flow you can reinvest in scaling up. With determination and focus, service-based businesses are one of the best entry points for people who want to start a business with little to no money. Number 2. Partner smartly. Building a business doesn't always mean doing everything alone. With limited money, finding the right partners can make a huge difference. A smart partnership allows you to share resources, knowledge, and expenses, while reducing your individual burden. For example, if you have strong marketing skills but lack technical expertise, you can team up with someone who knows how to handle the technical side of the business. This way, both parties contribute their strengths without spending heavily on hiring outsiders. Partnerships also open doors to networking opportunities and access to new customers. By working together, you can pool funds for tools, advertising, or other essentials, making your business run more efficiently. However, it is important to choose partners wisely. A good partner should share the same vision, values, and level of commitment. Poor partnerships can create conflicts, but strong partnerships build long-term success. Many great companies started with 2 or more people, combining skills and resources. Collaboration not only saves money, but also brings creative ideas and support during difficult times. When starting with little money, smart partnerships can provide the push your business needs to survive, grow, and eventually succeed in competitive markets. Number 1. Reinvest profits. When your business starts making money, the best way to grow without external funding is to reinvest your profits. Instead of spending your earnings on personal needs or luxuries, channel them back into your business. Reinvestment can be done in many areas depending on your priorities. For example, you might upgrade your tools, improve marketing strategies, or hire additional help to manage growing demand. This approach allows your business to expand steadily without borrowing money or depending on investors. Reinvesting profits also shows discipline, as it demonstrates that you are serious about long-term growth rather than short-term rewards. Many successful entrepreneurs adopted this strategy, starting with small earnings and steadily turning them into large enterprises. The key is patience, because reinvesting may mean personal sacrifices in the beginning, but the results are worth it over time. By consistently putting profits back into the business, you create a cycle of growth where income leads to more improvements, and improvements lead to more income. Eventually, this compounding effect strengthens your business, increases stability, and gives you the financial freedom to scale without debt. Reinvestment is the most reliable path to sustainable success. Thanks for watching this video on starting a business with little money. I hope these tips inspired you to take the first step toward your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, it's not about resources, but about resourcefulness. Keep learning, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to subscribe for more.